guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making delicious buns. Look how soft and delicious they are. Yum. I just feel like I want to sink my teeth into one and to eat it. Yum. If you want to eat it, then start by adding 1 cup of warm milk, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 and 2 to give that little sweet taste. Well, even though you won't really taste it. And you're going to add 1 plus half teaspoon of dry yeast. And you're going to let it rest for 5 minutes to activate it. You're going to mix the milk before you add the 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So after you add the 2 cups, you're going to add a tiny pinch of salt. And you're going to mix it all together. So let it mix, and you can see it's kind of crumbly, because that's because the dough is forming. It's all mixing together and forming together, getting stuck. So after it forms into a dough, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of soft unsalted butter. Then you're going to knead the dough again. You can also mix it with your hands. So you're going to keep kneading the dough until it gets nice and smooth. Now, the dough is ready. So you can see it's all nice and soft now. It's so nice and soft and so dough-like. That's funny. But you're going to fold it into a big round ball and put it into a bowl. Then you're going to cover it and rest for 1 hour. When you take off the bowl, you're going to see it doubled in size, and you're going to punch it down. Ooh, that's so satisfying. For some reason, all soft things are super satisfying, like slime and dough and probably Play-Doh. I don't know. But you're going to separate it into 9 parts. These 9 parts will be your buns. So you're going to turn it into soft, rounded balls. Try to make sure they have no folds or cracks at the top. This will help get them ready. So you're going to place them into a greased tray or a buttered tray. So you're going to put them 3 by 3 and the last one. Make sure they're evenly spaced. You're going to cover and rest and let them rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you're going to remove the wrap and see it also doubled in size, but just a little bit since they're small now. You're going to brush them with a bit of milk, and then you're going to place them in the oven. You're going to bake at 180 centigrade for 20 minutes. Now you can see they're nicely cooked, but they're still hard. So you're going to apply some butter after you've taken them out. It's okay if the butter is still frozen, because the buns are still super hot, so the butter will easily melt as soon as it touches the bun. After the time's up, you'll see they're nice and softer now. Before they were really hard and stiff, so you put butter, and now they're softer. Look at how soft and squishy they are, like a sponge. Squish, squish. Now you know that it is ready. So serve it with curry, roast it, eat it, and enjoy it. Enjoy this super delicious recipe and make more and serve. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye!